Horny of he fair, Arole Oduduwa, Oba Ogunwusi, Ojaja II has wished his beautiful princess, Adewamiwa and Erelu Olajumoke happy birthday. Oba Ogunwusi sent a loving message to his daughter, Adewamiwa and Olajumoke, as they both turn year older. The monarch via his verified Instagram account also shared a pictures as he heaped praises on both of them. Taking to the caption section of the post, the king wrote, "Today marks another day in the life of my very dependable, strong, and loving daughter, the adorable Erelu Olajumoke Adenola Oonirisa, my very own. As you mark another day in your life, I celebrate the powerful woman you have become and all the magnificent versions of you that are emerging, as your father the Arole Oduduwa and the Ooni Orisha and all our ancestors who sit on the throne of your forebears. I wish you a fruitful year. Happy birthday Omo me."